VTSV Auto, man, we coming y'all with a little more free game, man. Anything I can give you what's gonna help you guys out, more knowledge, more power you got. These are your window guides, front window, rear window. If you just look at them, if you feel yours, like a lot of this stuff right here was greased up from the factory. This is a grease track. Obviously this piece here will be greased. And over time, that grease and dirt will build up and then it'll become an obstruction. Look at that. It'll become an obstruction to the functionality of the part, so it'll stick. And then when it sticks and gets stuck, the electrical spikes from the pull from your motors and everything. So we're gonna deconstruct this total piece. This separates from this separates from the glass. All of these pieces we're gonna take apart, clean everything thoroughly, paint them, re-grease it, and put it back together where it operates, you know, exactly as it did when it was brand new. But a lot of times when you guys paint your cars, you take the windows out, you do all your painting and everything, and then by the time it get this far into the build, you start to cut corners. Look at the door handle. Look at the bracket. It's surface rust. This is a good bracket, but it need to be stripped, powder coated, or painted or something like that. You know what I mean? Adding the gold handles to this, you have to do a little customization as well, but take all of this stuff apart. Take the, you know, sometimes you don't want your customer to think that you're trying to just run it up, but it is a quality build, and when you go to getting so far, why not refurbish all of this stuff? Clean everything up. Like all of this stuff is dirt goop that's built up. Now you finna put it back in, and then the functionality of the windows won't perform correctly. So stay tuned. Me and Standing Man finna bust all this stuff down, clean it up and put it back together. Then we'll show you the difference before and after the VTSV Auto touch. Holla back, man. VTSV Auto, let's go. Obviously, regulator for the window, all of these attachments for the back window, you know, grease fittings. So if you look at and feel it, you know, all this is grease and dirt buildup over 50 years. You know what I'm saying? So now when you roll it, it don't roll as smooth. And sometimes it binds, you know, so we're gonna take all this apart. We're gonna clean it, strip it. We're gonna fill up a 5-gallon bucket, you know, get a scrub brush, clean all that shit. 100% clean, no gook or nothing on it. And then we're gonna get a aerosol bomb can and just paint it black. Everything. But we got all, those are rear window brackets. These are front window brackets. So this actually, you know, obviously this slides out, you know, so this needs to be same thing, 100% clean. This needs to be 100% clean. Anything like this we need to hit with the wire wheel just to get that rust off and still clean it. You know what I'm saying? And then we're gonna hit all of that black. You know what I'm saying? All of these pieces. Same thing, right? I'm staying cleaning them things up, man, so we can get ready to paint them, get them clean, man. We got a process going, man. You see, you know, part 1, you know what I'm saying? We got part 2.
That mother look brand new, baby.
Yeah. You know, these are all parts to the window. These been hit with the mineral spirits already. Now we're gonna get that wire wheel and clean all that rust off of certain parts before we put a little paint coat on them. Rear glass window, we had to screw the pieces off to get it off.